Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Taurus, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Ten of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and Chariot. So, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, Taurus. Maybe there are certain things today in your situation, something that is not clear. You may have some doubts, confusion. Some circumstances have unfolded and you are simply stressed. You don't know the way out. Things are taking an unexpected turn and going in an unexpected way, guys. And you feel really burdened and you feel your situation is very unfortunate, maybe. So there may be someone really close to you who is sick, having some illness, and you're worried about this person, stressed a lot. But you need not worry, guys. I also see that your situation is going to change and you are going to see a positive change, a steady change in your circumstance. Things are going to fall into place. Maybe this person whom you are really concerned about, maybe they will be recovering very soon and things will get back to normal again. And you are able to find the balance in your heart, guys. No matter what the troubles you are seeing today, Taurus, in your situation, things are going to take a positive turn. So maybe it may not be a positive turn today, but very soon, guys, Taurus, your situation is going to change. And whatever obstacles you are facing, you are going to simply succeed over those obstacles, triumph over the difficulties, and you are going to succeed today. Maybe it may be a situation in your work or it may be your personal life situation. So whatever it is, you are going to have that strength, confidence, and you are going to enjoy success very soon. So your unfortunate situation is changing, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the card for you all today, not for you. So with this card, guys, it just means that maybe this relationship or this connection is not meant to be. So some relationships carry an innate seed of failure right from the beginning, and you need not feel sad or stressed you need to understand that rejection is God's way of protection. So when something is denied to you, however hard you make efforts, some things may not go right and you may see failure in that. You need to understand that maybe it is not meant to be. That is the reason it is not manifesting, and there are much better things on its way towards you, and you can be happy for that, guys. And you need to trust this and understand that rejection is God's protection today for you. So in a relationship, sometimes when it is not meant to be, however hard you try or whatever you do, things will not go up to expectation. And maybe right from the beginning, you may have an understanding that this connection may not work. You may have an intuition, or sometimes you may not observe things in this way. But if this relationship is meant to be, it will proceed towards the positive way, guys. But if it is not, if you are rejecting or if that person is rejecting, it is good for both of your sakes, guys, because for each and every person there is a proper match here, and this person may not be the best one for you, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need not feel worried. There is a best fit waiting for you. So you just need to have trust today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This card for y'all, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we have fairies, words. So with this card, it just means that in our circumstances today, guys, you need to be really careful what you speak, and you need to be really careful of the thoughts you have, and the words we speak to people, it has a great impact in their life, guys. So that does not mean that we have to flatter someone to make them happy, go for that falsehood. It does not mean that. It just means that in each and every situation, we should speak with honesty and with the beauty of ourselves. So what inner beauty we have, our words should come from that kindness and from that compassion. And when we speak words of kindness, you need not think of anything else. You will surely be rewarded today. And when you do good things for others, your good deeds will always be reciprocated, guys. May not be today, but the rewards will surely reach you for whatever good you are doing to the people. It may be a stranger or it may be a friend. To whomever you do something good, it is going to come back to you. And when you speak kind words, you are enriching yourself with more beauty and kindness. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe in some situation today, you are doing things the right way, not for the sake of someone praising you or appreciating you, just for the truth and honesty, and for the beautiful soul you have. So you are doing the right things for the sake of the right thing, not for anything else. So maybe in your situation, something demands this action on your part, and you are moving ahead with honesty, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.